Dow Jones and Nasdaq both traded with a drop throughout the day. 10,700 is achieved. Very strong support levels. I will tell you why. And see US 30 again at 32,910. 900. This is also a good support for Dow Jones. So what to expect today is an important day when the payrolls data will be released. And this will definitely bring volatility to markets. You should trade with caution. You should trade with the strictest stop loss. And also do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon so that you can keep yourself updated with the daily analysis and targets which I share twice in a day for both these indices. Let's start. First we'll look into NASDAQ100 followed with Dow Jones. Do watch till the end. Listen to it carefully and note down the levels. Now look at the hourly charts for US 100. 10,700 certainly is a support. Reversal indication is also there, but I am waiting for it to break out beyond this. I am waiting for it to trade about 10,750 levels, which will bring, rather I will say 10,760 levels, which will bring little more bullishness, and then I will look forward to 10,800 10 levels, because beyond which 10,840, and if it trades beyond 10,840 again 10,880 920 levels, the next resistance zone. Beyond that it is going to fly high. Now if you look at the hourly charts, on the hourly charts you can, if you connect the dots, you will find that this zone is going to be a very good resistance zone at 10,780 10,800. So you need to be alert and cautious there. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is oversold on the hourly charts. The MACD is bearish and it is looking forward to crossover for a bullish move. RSI is bottom and trying to look upwards from here. Look at the 2-hour charts. Now look at the 2-hour charts closely. Low. See these two candles. Now this candle's movement is completely engulfed in the previous candle and it is trying to consolidate a bit. This time it tried to breach, however 10,700 certainly given it a very strong support. So first thing is you can buy at 10,760 levels, but then 10 till 10,810 it has got very good resistance, and beyond that it may show you little bullishness where you can find 10,850, 10,880, 920 levels, very good resistance there. Directional movement here is also bearish. It is extremely divergent and bearish. It cannot diverge more. I don't think so, and possibly we may see bullish move here. Stochastic is oversold. MACD is also bearish. It must converge. RSI is also trading at bottom. These all are indicating that probably we may see a rise. However, look at the 3-hour chart. See, drop, bottom, retracement, lower highs, drop, lower lows, trying to retrace. Possibly 10,780, 800 levels are achievable and definitely a very good resistance. Directional movement bearish. Stochastic looking to be trading at oversold. MACD is bearish. RSI is at bottom. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, now look at the 4-hour charts here, very important. See, bottom is done, double bottom is done. Look at the candle size here is bearish, also here is bearish. It has to break past 10,800, then only you can consider this as bullish. Below 10,700 you can expect 10,660 levels as the good support, and then we can see 10,580 levels. Remember, 10,600 here also support, here 10,700 here also support, 10,670 here also support. It is trying to take the support from the same levels and it may rise from here. Be cautious. Directional movement bearish. Stochastic oversold on the 4-hour charts. MACD divergent and bearish, and probably the high is done here on the candles. It may start converging from here. RSI looking upwards here. And if you look at the daily charts, only worry point is the daily chart. First, looking at the daily chart, see couple of red candles, one retracement and this sharp red candle. This is the first red candle. Hence, this also implies that there could be a possibility for a second red candle, which might in fact take it till towards 10,600 and below levels. And if you just connect the dots, you can find out this is an expanding triangle with increasing bearishness, and the bottom here is at again 10,450 levels, which is the previous low for the recent times. Directional movement here is also bearish. Stochastic is still looking downwards. It is still got some scope for it to trade bearish. MACD is bearish, and only thing is the MACD is still trading with a divergence, and the RSI is looking downwards. Considering this, You can sell at 10,700, but then be cautious till 10,660. First support below 10,660, 10,580 next target. See, 10,580 600 is a very good support zone below which you can expect further bearish, below which you can expect it to drop further till towards 10,550, 500 and 450 levels. That is one part to it. Next, you can buy at 10,760 levels, but remember 10,810 very good resistance, then 10,850, then 10,880, 920, and if it breaks past 10,920 it may trade bullish. See, you need to remember that you have to trade with the trailing stop loss if you are trading the volatility out there, because with the data markets may turn volatile, and hence you should safeguard your positions with the help of trailing stop loss or shifting your stop loss to your entry price. Remember this fact and trade accordingly, trade with a stop loss. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones, and yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 18th mentorship batch is going to start on 9th of January. Be a part of it. Only few seats are available. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now let's have a look at US 30 on the hourly charts. US 30 on the hourly charts. It is loving 32,800 levels. We have seen it getting the resistance from 32,800 multiple times now. And yes, that is the only level below which you can expect a bearishness, below which 32,700, 550, 500 levels can be expected, and below 32,500 it may trade more bearish. Look at the hourly chart, see the previous two candles, lower highs, lower lows, and if it does not reverse from here, it may take it further down, it may trade bearish, and below 32,900 you can expect that we might look at 32,850 first target and 32,800 the next target. So sell at 32,900, but be cautious till 32,850, 800 low levels. You should be strictly trading with a trailing stop loss. See, after a bit of consolidation it is giving a breakout, so this may continue if it does not reverse from here. And on the upside till 33,000 levels you should be cautious. Beyond 33,000, 33,050, 33,100, these two levels are taken, we can expect more bullish. This is one aspect. Direction movement bearish, stochastic near to bottom. MACD is looking to converge crossover for a sell. RSI is looking downwards, indicating little bearishness. Now look at the 2-hour charts. Drop, consolidation or retracement, and now again trying to drop. So yes, once it drops below 32,900 it may bring more bears. 32,850, 32,800 levels might get achieved. At the same time, beyond 33,000 you can expect that it is going to break past 33,040, which is good resistance, and then beyond that you can expect 33,100 is the next target. Beyond that it is going to fly high. Direction movement bearish, stochastic at bottom, MACD bearish, RSI looking down. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, now look at the 3-hour charts. Lower highs, consider this as a reversal. If it breaks past 33,000, trades above 33,050, then only consider this as reversal. Else it is looking forward to 32,900 or 32,850, which is a very good support. Directional movement bearish. Stochastic is looking down, indicating bearishness here. The MACD is trading with divergence, trading bearish here. You need to be watchful here. RSI is also showing little weakness there. Now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts it is taking a dip here, but you should be cautious of 32,900, below which only you can expect 32,880, 850, and then 32,800. See, you need to trade with a trailing stop loss till the time it trades above 32,800, as it can bounce back any point of time. First point. Second point is beyond 33,000 you can buy and expect it to bounce. Directional movement bearish, stochastic looking down, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI looking down, indicating weakness. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, see the 3 candles, lower highs, and with that lower highs also flat bottom you must observe, and hence this is also a squeeze. It needs to break out. Possibly once it trades below 32,800 it may bring more bearishness there, it may bring more drop there. So yesterday almost 32,200 to 32,800, 400 points. This time it can bring more bears, taking it till towards 32,600, 32,400 levels, and possibly retrace from there. So be cautious there. Directional movement bearish. Stochastic looking down. The MACD is again trying to diverge here. Trade bearish. RSI is also looking down. Considering this, I only buy entry is above 33,000 and till 33,100 and 200 still here. That is what I am saying. Till 33, 200, 250 you should trade with a trailing stop loss, as there is a possibility of a reversal also exists from there. But once it trades beyond 33, this zone, see, I have always maintained 33, 400, 500 as a good resistance zone. It has to break past this. Right now it is trying to trade in this box. So either which ways, it has to break past this zone in order to give a direction. However, you can buy at 33,000, sell at 32,900, but remember, till 32,800 it can reverse any point of time, and hence you need to trade with a trailing stop loss. Safe entry is below 32,800, where the next target is 32,700, 32,550, 500 and 32,400 levels. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. And yes, do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Reach out to me for more details via Telegram or email. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead and happy weekend.